Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to view orders on Fiverr mobile app. Why would you want to know how to view orders on Fiverr mobile app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to view orders on Fiverr mobile app. So today I'm going to show you how to view orders on Fiverr mobile app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Here is the interface of a seller. If you are a buyer, you will not see this interface. Now you are seeing different buttons at the bottom of the screen. If you are willing to see your orders or got an order for the first time and don't know where it is showing, don't worry. You are seeing a page type button at the bottom right after inbox. Click on it. Here you can see your orders, completed orders, active orders, delivered and cancelled orders. There you go. If you wanted to know how to view orders on Fiverr mobile app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.